The easiest way to do it.
Okay, I'm in.
Okay.
Wow. This is so
You have to back
cool.
up some for me. Yeah, you're going to have to back up some, but don't hit the curb behind you.
This is neat. Okay, do we buckle and everything?
Oh,
Just like
yeah.
a regular car.
Like a regular car.
Like a regular car.
Yep.
Okay, listen. Here it is. This is so cool. I bet y'all really enjoy this, don't
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
How long have y'all been doing this?
About 7 months.
Oh, cool. Wow, listen to that.
Oh, it's really loud. The windows down. You want to try out windows
I
down? Or
don't
no?
care.
It might be a little cold, but we can turn the heated seat on for you. Let's see here. Heated
Oh,
seat.
it's not real bad cold today.
Oh, it's a little cold. We can turn the heat up too. Let's see here. We're gonna need it. Is that your phone?
Yeah, hang on. Oh, it's the doctor. Hang on. I need. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Sorry.
Perfect time.
Sorry.
Perfect
That
time.
was the our family doctor. So
Who's your family doctor?
Justin Pruitt. He's in Hampton Cove. Well, Owens Crossroad, Hampton Cove area. He's a very young doctor, but we really liked him. He's the one that actually found the issue with Charles.
That's good.
So,
He's the good doctor then.
yeah.
He knows what he's
Yeah.
doing.
Man, it is loud, isn't it?
Oh, we ain't even win.
Wow. This is so cool.
Oh, they're on a Porsche GT3. That's it says awake on the tag. Super nice car. I wish we could catch up with it. About a $300,000 car.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm sure this is really not. I mean, this is way up there too. Probably more, isn't it?
Well, you just have to look it up.
I don't know. Charles knows more about all these cars than I do.
I seen it. There's no way it made it through that red light that fast. There it is. It's right beside it. It's
Okay.
right beside us.
The white one there. Ooh, yeah, that's a cool car.
Yeah, it's a GT3.
Wow.
Oh, that ain't a GT3. That's not a GT3. No, it's just a regular Porsche.
Okay. It's pretty though.
It is nice. I thought it was the 3. There, it's over there where there's a pharmacy company right there off of California Street, I think it is. And
Yeah.
yeah,
Probes?
it's set.
You talking about probes or another?
No, it's stakeouts right real close to it.
Yeah. Okay, I know what you're talking about. And it sits over there.
Yep, it's there every day. I think it's a pharmacy.
Okay. That's a pretty car on
It is
that, isn't
pretty.
it?
That's the same color of the other one too.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very pretty. So your husband found out prostate cancer how long ago?
Well, it's recent because he just had his first radiation treatment, so he found out like in October, and he's having to take that hormone shot. I don't know if you're familiar with that.
I know what it
it's
is.
called. And so he's had that shot, and he's on a pill too that he has to take every night that helps keep the testosterone level down, because that's what they're trying to do is drop that. And so he started his radiation. I mean, we've been like, when are y'all going to start doing something? It seemed like it's took forever. But they said they had to wait a certain amount of time after that shot before they could start doing anything else. And it got outside of his prostate. He's got a spot on two spots on his back, kind of lower back area. So they say when it gets outside the prostate,
It's true.
it's worse. So, of course. And there's no cure for it, but their plan is to get him in remission and keep him in remission. And they said that his prognosis is, whoa! That one's loud. Is years, is what they said for the prognosis. So.
They're over here just loving it.
I wish he'd do that again. I was gonna That's cool. So, anyway, I don't know. I mean, Charles is 66.
That's young.
Yeah.
been talking about the other side of their, you know,
Yeah.
because my wife talks about how bad it is to be the other side, and I'm like, you have no clue.
Well, I haven't, like I said, we just started the treatments, so we'll see. I don't know. Did you have to have radiation?
No.
Because I don't know what that's going to do to him. They said he may get tired easy with the radiation. So, I don't know. I guess we'll see. But he does have, right now, he has, sometimes his back really will hurt him, you know, the pain from that. That's cool. Now, are you still taking chemo, or are you done right now?
I just take a pill. That's
Take
a
the
chemo pill, basically.
Right. And you know, they offered him that. Excuse me. Hey, y'all having fun? Yeah. Loads of fun. Yeah.
What's the retail on one of them things?
When you get a 4-pound, you buy 2 of these for $1.
It's cool. I mean, it's fast, isn't it? Wow.
Huh? Go. You get to go.
Hey, y'all ever take them like out where you can just really, I mean,
I've never been, no, I've only done this.
like y'all
A
just take
racetrack
them,
or a-
yeah, something like that.
No.
You need to try that sometime.
Yeah.
It might be fun.
I've got it in plan.
Yeah.
This is a non-profit, so I'm just now getting it started good.
Right, yeah.
And trying to get donations, and I want to be able to get it to where I can get enough to get like the Barber racetrack
Uh-huh.
and take all the patients out one day, because we got a lot of cars. I don't only
Yeah.
own one car, but we have a lot of people with
cool.
cars.
Yeah.
And take them out there one day and really get to run them for a while.
Yeah,
And let them
yeah.
see it. But
Really get the feel of it.
Yes.
Then.
Oh,
yeah. That would be cool. Do you guys attend church somewhere regularly? Or
yeah,
or
we
y'all
go different churches.
Oh, okay.
He goes to Life Church, and I go to Endeavor.
Okay. Whoa.
That dog's howling.
You don't know what to think about it, does he? We go to Winchester Road Baptist Church. That's where we attend church.
Like it?
Yes. We've been there for, let me think, 6 years. Because we used to live in Grant, you know, up the mountain.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And then we moved to Huntsville about 6 years ago. And we loved living here. Of course, we would come to Huntsville all the time. And I worked here in Huntsville, but I retired last year. And we're glad we're here, especially since we're dealing with this now. Because if we were still up there, that would be a long drive.
Yes.
So we're glad that we're local now. Now, I'm from Huntsville. I was born here.
I was born in Montgomery at the Maxwell Air Force Base, but I've lived my whole life here.
Yeah. My family moved to Fayetteville, Tennessee, when I was in the 6th grade. So I went to high school, graduated high school, and everything in Fayetteville. Our little grandson would freak out on this. He's 4 years old. he would be like,
Well, he'll
wow.
see the video of you in
Yeah.
them.
'Cause he loves cars anyway. He's all about playing. That's all he wants to do is play. Yeah, he has a lot of those little Hot Wheels cars, and he can tell you the name of all of them.
That's
He
awesome.
knows all the different kinds.
What's your first name?
I'm Judy.
Judy.
Yes. And what was your name?
I'm Brian.
Brian. I thought that's what you said. And what?
He's
is it?
Bobby.
Bobby. Okay. Well, y'all are pretty close, aren't you?
Yeah, he's my uncle, and I'm only 3 years younger than him. My
Oh,
dad
okay.
is 18 years older than him.
So they're kind of like our kids. There's a big age difference there. So y'all are more like brothers,
We
aren't
are.
you?
We grew up
Yeah.
still see some
Yeah, just
crazy
like
cars, yeah.
You were trying to find out that other car
Yeah,
when we were there.
yeah.
So, yeah. This is really a good thing y'all are doing.
Thank you, thank you.
I bet y'all get a lot of satisfaction and stuff from it, too.
I do.
A good
I really
blessing
do.
from it. Yeah, you gotta know how to drive these things, don't you? Since they do sit so low to the ground.
Sit low.
Well, this is so cool. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay.
I'll get you out of
Okay.
it. You want me to teach you how to get out, or we get you out?
Give me out. What'd you think? That was fun, wasn't it?
Oh, was it fun? We were in right
That was a
there.
rush.
I went to a lot of fires. Be careful when you step up, baby.
Yeah, he's going to open the door for me. He said, you want me to teach you how? I said, no, go ahead. Okay, hold my purse, honey.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
Here, help me out.
Help her out, man. Help her, man.
Woo!
Go ahead.
But